So hi, Mr. Tenzin.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
So, why did you require the eyebrow hair transplant? Can you give us a brief history, and then how did you search about us and search about Dr. Haror's Wellness Clinic, and your journey?
Yeah, actually, I live in Australia, and there when I was there, I was trying to do the eyebrow transplant. Yeah, but it's very expensive there.
There, the doctors are not so experienced that they do a very fine surgery like eyebrow transplant.
Yeah, I
I've
think
seen
so.
it.
Yeah, I think so. And then I searched by internet and EA as well, and then I got lots of options, but in those options I got the best review and the best comments, results by the Harris, Dr. Harris. So I come to here, and now I did all the surgeries, and it's going very well, and now I'm really satisfied.
How was the experience versus your expectations? Like, some people want thicker eyebrows, some people want thinner eyebrows, and people are not able to achieve their expectations. But how were your expectations fulfilled? What was the surgery? Surgery was painful? Please.
I was expect that it looks like more naturally, but it is. It's like naturally, and when it's when the surgery, there is no pain, and everything goes very professional way. So that's make me really happy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.